Hello friends, I am Gautam Gupta from Boolean Digital, and today in this video I would like to talk about home automation. And here in our office we have installed few products, and after watching this video you will get a notion about how does it work. And the first thing, we need not to do any extra efforts or wiring for that. It will be done in existing fitting. So here is a Amazon product which takes the voice command from us, further sends it to the Octa hub, and it is the thing that is controlling all the peripheral devices, whether it's electrical equipment or electronic equipment. So see an example. Alexa, switch on office. So we have given a command and see how it is executed. The light is on, the fan goes on, the light, so the LED. So these four devices been grouped together in a category of office. So that's why they all lit up together. We can let them on and off individually too. See, Alexa, switch on AC. So this white light is going to turn orange and the AC is on now. Alexa, switch on printer. The same is going to happen with it. The white light is going to turn orange and the printer is on. So this is the thing, this is how it works in a single room, and right from here I can handle the other rooms too. Alexa, switch on living room. The light goes on, the other light goes on, so the fan. So here in the living room, these three devices been attached together under the category of living room. We can also run them individually. So right from here we can control the office as we control this room from office. There's another Alexa. Alexa, switch off office. So here we came in office and the all the things goes off, and this is friends, how does it work. And the most important thing, these old devices can be accessed, can be controlled from any remote place, like from out of town, out of country, out of state. So I hope you would like this video. Thank you.